Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the spicy coconut shrimp pasta. This recipe is delicious with the creamy texture of the coconut milk, and its combination of pasta with shrimp makes it so unique. This is one of the best pasta recipe and is so fast and easy to make. So let's quickly get started, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So I'm using your spaghetti pasta. I'm going to boil it first and cook it following the instructions. So at first, in boiling water, adding salt and some olive oil, I'm going to add the pasta. Please follow the instruction as per your cooking method in the box. And once the pasta is ready, I'm going to drain off the water and run it through cold water and keep it aside. Now for the cooking of the sauce, I'm adding in some butter in a pan and olive oil. All the measurements of the ingredients are already there in the description box. Once the butter melts, I'm going to add the chopped garlic. Stir it until it turns light golden brown in color. I'm going to cook this pasta in medium flame. Now adding the chopped onions and going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes translucent. Now I will be adding in the shrimp. It's completely cleaned and deveined, and I'm using your medium-sized shrimp. I will be cooking it for 2 to 3 minutes, not overcook it much because it will make the shrimp very hard. Now I will be adding in all the spices. Some black pepper powder, some cayenne pepper, chili flakes. I'm adding here 2 teaspoons. If you want, please add less. So depending on your preference of spice level, do add the chili flakes, paprika and the cayenne pepper. Now I will be adding in some paprika powder, some dried parsley, nutmeg powder, a pinch of it, and shredded cheddar cheese. Now it's time to add the main ingredient, that is the coconut milk. The link of the product is already given in the description box. Mixing everything well together, all the spices, and then adding some salt as per your taste. Some chili oil. This link is also provided in the description box. Now in low flame, let the sauce simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will be adding the cooked spaghetti, which I had already boiled and kept aside. I will be combining the sauce with the spaghetti slowly in low flame until you can see the texture. It has completely thickened and it looks so yummy and delicious. Turn off the flame and then add some freshly chopped basil leaves. This gives an amazing flavor to this pasta. It's time to enjoy this spicy and creamy coconut shrimp pasta with your friends and family. Just make this on a weekend night or any special weekday and give your friends and family an amazing treat. I'm going to garnish it a little bit with parsley flakes, and I can't wait to try this yummy recipe of pasta. Oh my goodness, it tastes so amazing. Please friends, do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new and unique recipes each week. So see you soon. Until next time, bye bye.